Book of Revelation chapter 12. Ito po ang sinabi. John the Beloved saw a great sign and wonders in heaven above. Nakita niya yung isang babae na may this woman clothed with the sun, the righteousness of God. She was wrapped up with the righteousness of God. And she's wearing a crown with 12 stars, and under her feet is the moon. And he's about to deliver a baby, a male child, the Son of God. Kami pong mga protestante, katanggap-tanggap namin yung bata, na ang bata na yan, walang iba si Jesus. Pero yung babae, hindi si Maria. So it's an irony, no? It's opposite. Because the Bible is very clear na itong babae na ito, walang iba po si Santa Maria po, mga kapatid. And, she was clothed with the sun, meaning the righteousness of God is with her, and she was crowned with 12 stars. It's representing the 12 apostles and the 12 tribes of Israel, meaning the Blessed Mother Mary is the queen of the apostles and the queen of the 12 tribes of Israel. Bakit ayaw tanggapin ng mga tagapag-iksita na ito ay si Maria? Kasi po, kulang sa kalaman. Pangalawa, they don't want to accept that this is the Blessed Virgin Mary because they don't want that the Blessed Mother Mary is part of God's plan for salvation to mankind because of sola Christi. When in fact the Bible does not says about sola Christi, but it speaks about the love of God, and He will use many people for us to be saved. And one of that is the Blessed Mother Mary. Kaya po mga kapatid, paalala lang po, huwag na tayo magpadala sa mga panlindin lang ng ibang sekta, kasi ang sa amin po, yung babae na yan, nung ako'y protestante pa, ay si Israel. Nakakatawa. Kung hindi si Israel, simbahan ng born again, nag-produce ng Jesus Christ. That's very irony. Pero it's very clear. Kung tinanggap mo yung bata na yan, na si Jesus na yan, yung male child, the Son of God, bakit ayaw mo tanggapin, pastor, na itong babae nito ay walang iba si Santa Maria?